Hey, how's it going, group? So I want to just go over the Southland Technology website real quick with you, see what we're looking to accomplish here. So, there's obviously a lot of content here on this page, on this website. We're going to be scrapping a lot of this website and make a more simpler website design here and make it more modern. As you can see, this current website's not, you know, it's not mobile friendly. Has these borders here. We're going to want to kind of expand this all the way so it's a little more modern, kind of like this website here. Um, the header, he wants it a little bit smaller than this, kind of the same dimensions as this border right here, but just stretched out across. Okay. And then the pages that are going to be, there's going to be just the home page, about page, service page with these three services, partner page, client login, which is not really going to be a page. All you're going to do is basically have this same link client login, but instead of taking them to a page, we're going to be redirecting them to another website where the clients log into. So it's not going to be a page at all. It's basically just going to be a redirect. Okay, so and then contact page and then news page. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages, maybe 9, no more than 10 pages on this website. That's what we're going to shoot for. Each page itself, again, go over some key points on each page. I want the home page again stretched out. The header, we want a slideshow just like we currently have right here. And as you can see, this header slideshow changes images, and we're going to want to change images as well, and then highlighting these vendors. Okay, smart. So we're going to be taking some of these out. I'll create the headers for the imaging for you and then send those to you later on once I get those completed, or if you're able to do that, great, we can do that as well. I want to keep this slider right here of the partners. We're going to remove this section, and instead of latest news, it's basically going to be like a blog section. Okay, so I'll get into that in a second. So we're going to want a section to highlight certifications. These are different certifications that the company has highlighted that they want on the home page. I'll send you more information on that. Just create a section on that. I want a partner section, like I said, just like this, maybe bigger, obviously, so it highlights some of the major partners. And then, like, again, the news section was basically just a blog section showing the latest blogs. So instead of latest news, it's going to be latest blogs. So it's going to be the same stuff. It's still news, but it's going to be, he wants it as, it's basically, we know it as blogs, they know it as news. Okay. What I'd also like to add on the homepage as well is a service section where we highlight the 3 services: IT, structure, and cabling. Okay, kind of like what they're kind of doing right here for our services, but it's just 3 services. Okay. About Us page. Just for now, just copy what's currently on the About Us page, but again, make it a little bit more modern. We're going to want the flow of the website to kind of mimic this page. Okay, because my client really liked this page. And same for the services page, the audiovisual page. Again, you want to copy this format of this page, of this audiovisual for Lightworks. Okay, and then have the same titles, so design and engineering, install and integration, project management, documentation, service and management, programming services. But instead of programming services, he wants it moved up to after install. So after install and integration, it's going to be program and services, and then project management, and then documentation. and then service and maintenance. So program and service is going to be moved up to after install right here, basically. Okay. IT solutions, so same thing. We're going to go ahead and take the same content that's on here. So if you click on IT solutions, you'll see this. And same thing, use the same concept as this website, where it's the title and an image and a little bit of background information. So for each of these services, kind of thing, each of these products, if you will. Okay. And then the same thing for structured cabling. Just click on structured cabling, and it's the same kind of concept here. Okay. So that should be it for now. Contact page, just make it a normal contact page. Let's see, something like this works perfectly fine. They only have one location, so it basically a simple contact form with the business information. And then news, I want to copy this news page as well. So then this is new. Ours is gonna be news, NEWS. But I want the same kind of thing where it basically looks like a blog page where we're gonna post up-to-date information, up-to-date news about the company. Okay. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. Obviously, get back to me as soon as you can. That way we can get this project started right away. All right. Thanks, group. Have a great day. Bye.